So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to make an image blurry here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up VistaCreate. Once that is done, either go to the Uploads tab right here in the top left-hand side and select a photo that you've uploaded yourself, or go to the Photos tab right here and select a stock photo of your choosing. So for this demonstration, how about I search up a photo of London? Maybe I'll just search up a photo right here. I'll search up London. And for demonstration purposes, how about we select a photo of what appears to be, all of them seem to be premium versions that you need. How about this photo right here of what appears to be, what's a good example that I can use? How about just this photo right here of like a map? This is going to work perfectly well. So if you wanted to make this photo blurry or whatever photo blurry, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left hand side of your screen to where it says edit image, and press on that. Then go down all the way to the bottom until you see advanced settings, and slide down right here to where it says blur. And as of right now, the blur's on 0, but if you were to slide this little bar all the way to the right, you actually make the photo appear a lot more blurry. And if you were to slide this bar to the left, you make it appear less blurry. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to make an image blurry here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.